One trend that made an unexpected splash last year and continues to thrive is latex. Once associated mainly with fetish wear, this glossy fabric has now crossed into mainstream fashion and become a popular choice. From Hollywood to Bollywood, celebrities everywhere are embracing this trend, and it's perfect for the party season. So get ready to fall in love with this standout piece and make it your go-to for making a bold statement. The fashionista who turned heads in a latex dress recently is Triptii Dimri. She dazzled in a striking red dress featuring a high round neckline, racerback detailing and a back slit. To oomph up the look further, she paired the dress with matching red stockings and heels. Looks great on her. But you can skip the stockings and just pair a red hot latex dress with red heels, just like Deepika Padukone. DP wore a show-stopping latex number a while back and looked like a fashion goddess. This bodycon masterpiece featured a plunging halter neckline, a corseted bodice and a daring low back. The glossy blood red hue and midi length looked alluring, as she kept accessories minimal to allow the dress to shine. You might want to throw in a jacket to balance the look. But if you want to avoid the jacket, take cues from Janhvi Kapoor, who opted for a high neck, full sleeve design that hugged her curves. Okay, enough of red. Now let's move to some other colors. Ananya Panday showed us how to have fun with latex as she opted for a playful pink dress with a halter neck, pairing it with twisted gold hoop earrings and fresh, minimal makeup. Moving on to some black numbers, we have Katrina Kaif, Kriti Sanon, Disha Patani and Janhvi Kapoor showing how it should be done. For those of you taking baby steps to embrace this trend, we suggest you start with this safe color. Or maybe just start with latex tops and pants, which are warm to wear in winter. Well, we love this trend. Do you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more on the latest trends.